Hi, and welcome back to Slimful Treats again. Today, actually this is going to be another assembly video. I had explained earlier that we only have one day off this week, so I have a lot of treats to make. But I'm going to tell you exactly what I did, and this is one of the favorites. It is called by many different names in many different places. Up north we call it Chocolate Delight. I've heard it called Mississippi Mud Dessert, and down here in Oklahoma it's called Sex in a Pan, but since we make it in a cup, we call it the Big O in a cup. So, I've already made a crust. The crust is made out of gluten-free flour and butter. I have baked it in the oven, and I've taken it out, I've crumbed it up, and I've divided it between cups. The next layer is a cream cheese mixture. Now I am using fat-free cream cheese, and I am also using some powdered sweetener. It must be powdered, looks like powdered sugar. And then the last ingredient in there is some non-dairy whipped topping. I have sugar-free, low-fat, non-dairy whipped topping. Now I'm going to make one or two of these, and then I'll finish up the rest for time's sake. Okay, so first layer. You want to get that layer in, and I just put the stuff in baggies. Makes it so much easier. Okay, now there is your cream cheese layer. Now the next layer. Now this is a sugar-free instant pudding mix. You could go and make your own pudding, but I don't see the point. Now, the instant pudding mix, I use 2 boxes of the instant pudding, and the secret to this is you use only 1.5 times the milk. Put that right in. Okay, and just kind of tap it down a little bit. Now, your non-dairy, fat-free, sugar-free whipped topping is right on top. This is actually, oh, I just spilled all over the place, but that's okay. This is everybody's favorite. Get that in there. And that is, well, I kind of got half of that out of the cup, so we're going to just give it a little bit more. And that is everybody's favorite. Now, this whole cup traditionally would be about 400 to 500 calories if it was the full sugared flavored version. Now this cup is 170 calories. And believe me, it is delicious. Now, you can get the full recipe off of my Gmail page, which is slimfultreats@gmail.com. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos, which unlocks you to get the complete recipes. Thank you very much for watching.